Can we start, guys?
Yeah, we can start.
All right. Let me check one. Oh, yeah. It's not here. It's not here. King is not here. King, are you here? Akin. Hello, Akin, are you there? All right. Whoever is not here will join we'll get whatever we are discussing from the video. So, like I was saying, the most recent major version of Python is Python 3, right? And even the 3 has versions, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, but the very most recent one that will welcome your machine, if your machine is 64 bits, or you're using a MacBook like mine, it cannot be less than 3.7. The version must not be less than 3.7, right, that you will install. It will never be less than 3.7, even though we have I think we are 3.16 now, right? So, and is 3.7 and above that will be able to work. We are not writing, we have Python 2, we have Python 1, you know, we have all those versions, but they are not really, they are cake now. So we are not going to be using any of those pattern. And in case you are wondering, what is this version all about? You know, the higher the number, the more updated the documentation. So there are some commands or codes that you write. It will not, respond according to what you want it to do. So definitely, we're going to be using any version from 3.7 and above. For whatever code we're going to be reading, you will definitely see it. And where we'll be writing it, we can write in a text editor like Sublime, like Atom, like Brackets. We can write in an IDE like Integrated Development Environment, like PyCharm, specifically built by Python. Another one called Thony, NetBeans, or even Eclipse that is roughly for Java. Those are the things that is good for you to know, or as far as this class is concerned. But another thing that you need to know before we really hit the ground running is the Python syntax compared to other programming languages. And this will lead us to what we use Python for. And before you know why you need to choose it, right? It was designed for readability and has some very close similarities with English language, though with a mathematical influence, though. So it uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming language which often use a semicolons or parentheses to close a line, right? Python's relies on indentation majorly. Indentation is very key here. So we use what we call a white space, to define the scope, scope of loops, scope of functions, scope of classes, and which other programming language often use what we call curly bracket, which you are used to by now if you have been following our CSS and JavaScript class, So, and most of the things that we use Python for, right? Web development, software development, data science, system scripting, data analysis, machine learning, automation, scripting, software testing, prototyping. In fact, everyday task. We use Python for everyday task. So you can learn Python if you are a goal-oriented person. Within a period of 2 months, you should know what Python is all about, know how to apply them, and all of, like, picking your total fundamental levels. But that is not just because it's 2 months and then you say 1, 2, 3, or to 30 days, 1, 2, 3, or to another 30 days. And then you say after all, it's 2 months, I'm just going to do it for 20 minutes and that'll be all for today. And I'll do it for 2 hours and that'll be all for that week. And all of that, that is not how to set a goal. When you mean to come out of it, you should define the consistency, the persistency, the focus, and the passion-driven factor. You checkmate it into the timetable. From there, you will begin to see a lot of things happening in your life as far as Python is concerned. That is the only time that you can say, okay, oh, good, he advised rightly. Or if you go and fold your hands, even if you are in MIT, Stanford, or Harvard, Oxford, or Cambridge, I'm telling you, nothing is going to change. That is why we encourage people to contribute, perform in the class activities, say something. And for everyday task, in case you're wondering, you keep tracks of stock markets or crypto prices. Send yourself a text reminder to carry an umbrella anytime it's raining. Update your grocery shopping list. Renaming large batches of files, converting text files to spreadsheets, rounding up, like randomizing and assigning tasks to family, or even food to family members. Fill out outline forms automatically for you and all of that stuff. When you go on Google and you try to type something, and before finishing that word and something pop up, those are things for Python. Like, because machine learning has primarily adopted a Python programming language. So these things of predictive concept comes from Python, not even machine learning before. Python has some kind of code factors that attract that angle. So, and by the emergence of machine learning, Python was like, oh, thank God, I'm going to lead soon. And truly it's leading. So, and that predictive concept of learning from the past, explain the present, predict future, all of that, you're going to be using Python to see what is it. So what is our summary that we've done here? We say that Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level, general-purpose, dynamics programming language, right? That is what we say. And we say that it's used to develop web development. It's used for web development, software development or engineering, data science, analytics, machine learning, scripting, automating of driverless car, and all of that stuff. Why are we giving these details? So that for whoever will come to you, even after today's class, and you don't see any other class to attend, at least you have a brief knowledge of things in defining Python. We know it's interpreted. These are the common factors we're going to be using in measuring the codes. We say that it is object-oriented. We say that it's high level. And if you don't know about high level, let me tell you one thing about it. The closer the language gets to the computer, the more difficult that language. That is why you see that every of these extraction is coming from C++, because it's like the closest. The C, you all go to your computer and you see a C drive, right? The C is the bulk of the whole thing. And that is why you see that beginning of C and advance of C is very difficult. Just the intermediate that is soft. But unlike C, Python, the beginning is very, very, very easy. The intermediate is as you are going, it's becoming more difficult for Python. So don't say, I did not tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. So we've seen a lot in Python. Logistics, this is not for you. It's a crash program. We're going to be using a lot of concepts to make sure you understand physical application. And we're going to be very, very concise about the whole approach. So who is you? In case you be wondering, can I learn this thing? Irrespective of where you are coming from. Check. You will see your background here. Maybe from a computational biology part, computer science part, and what is this called? Business, physics, education, environmental, law, management science, neuroscience, economics, philosophy, bioengineering, electrical, linguistic, irrespective of your background, you can do this course. And check this thing that I've put together. You're going to see this beautiful, background properly itemized. And if you believe in yourself and you believe in this class, then you're going to extract a goal from this. So one of the things that is very important here, develop skills with Python fundamentals, both old and new. This is the course goal. Learn to recognize and write good Python. Gain experience with practical Python task. Highly practical. Then understand Python strengths and weakness. And weakness is very, very key here. Question, what is Python? We've told you before. A Python, it is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level, general-purpose, dynamic, semantics programming language. And we say, why Python? Why Python? Number one, is very, very simple. It's versatile. It has a large community, and with Python, you can develop, design, and implement any kind of system. So will Python help me get a job? Yes, 100 million% to help you get a job anywhere. History of Python, talked about it. This is the man, in 1991, he came up with this documentation of Python when he was a bit frustrated with another programming language called BBC. So Python 1, 1994, but the documentation started in 1991. Python 2, 2003, 2008, and currently from Python 3.7, you are good to go. So philosophy of Python. Now, to test your programming language, your programming concept, because in as much as we say that even if you are a palm wine thumper, we can train you. But that doesn't mean let's checkmate with your brain, if at all your brain is working. And don't take offense on this. These are the approaches that we put together to train whoever is willing to learn Python or programming generally, because you have to think outside the box. So who wants to go? What do you think is this? What is missing here? Missing what? Missing a character, sorry. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
If you can see my screen, what do you think is missing?
import this.
God bless you. Next person. Hello, guys.
Import this,
So please, what's on your screen? What's displayed on the screen?
That is what I want you to say. I cannot. Oh, what is displayed on the screen? On the screen? Oh, that is Victor, right?
Yes, sir.
The first one that the guy said import this is IMP, then T and TH space THI, whatever. He said that is import this. The next one is the THE as in day, then space Z, and with a lot of space F, another space there like the pi T and by whatever. Victor, you should know all of this, right? Hello, Victor. Victor, are you there? Is anybody here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you should know this, right? Your instructor, she did not start with this.
Yes, sir.
He or she.
Yes, sir.
She did.
Also, what
she
is
did.
keeping? What is keeping? Because I trained her.
The zeros of
Zen of Python.
Huh? Who is speaking, please?
The Zen of Python
Mm-hmm. Who is speaking? I need to know.
by Tim
I need to know.
Emmanuel
Manuel who? Which one?
Honor.
Okay. Are you Googling it?
No, I'm thinking of words that could fit inside that small space.
Yes. You don't have to Google this. You just have to think it.
So the words that can fit inside there, the Zen,
You're almost there, sir.
zone, the Zen of Python
Mm-hmm.
by Tim. I'm not sure of the last one.
All right. That
I
is
don't
a
know if
good
it's Peter
attempt.
or
Who
Pete.
else? Huh? Hello. Is anybody there?
The zeros of Python by Tim Pete.
Yes, not true.
That's a
Zeros.
good attempt, but not zero and not Pete.
Peters, Pete.
Okay.
One of them.
Let me follow on Emmanuel. The Zen.
I hope you've not been Googling it.
No. The Zen of Python by Tim Pot, like PORTE.
That's a good one. So now is the pot or the pet or the pity or the Peter or the Pite.
Yeah.
That is ready. Peters, yeah. The Zen of Python by Tim Peters. All right, good try. Yes. Next one. The more as you are delaying, this is actually wherever you are learning Python. If they did not do this.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Who is speaking? Go ahead, please.
Beautiful.
She hid herself. Okay. Go ahead. If people think that I will mold it like swallow and put it in your head. No, you have some. It has a job to do, girl.
Beautiful is better than ugly.
Prof. Yeah,
Yes, beautiful is better
Beautiful is
than ugly.
Now we are moving. The Church of God is marching on. Yes. The next one. Say a lot.
Explicit.
Mm-hmm.
Explicit is better than implicit.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. The next one.
Simplicity is better than complex.
Simple is better than complex.
You people are cheating. If you are not cheating, glory be to God. Go ahead.
I'm not cheating now.
This is better than
complex is better than implicit.
Who is saying?
Complex is better than
complex is better than implemented.
Who else is
Complex
saying?
is better than implicitity.
Complicity
What
is
is-
better than
Complex is better than complicated.
Is better
Yes,
than
Complex is
okay.
better than
Listen,
than
listen to
complicated.
Okesin and listen to Okesin. Let Okesin and another lady is saying something.
complex is better than complicated.
complicated.
Yeah, that is it. Yes, the next one. NEPA has taken light on your side.
Fleet is better than
Ma, the first one.
fleet is better than
Eh?
fleet. Fleet.
Flitty? Flitty?
Fleet.
Ah, no.
That is FILT.
No, sir.
Flat.
Hmm. Who is saying flaccidity?
Eh?
Ogomotu. Ogomotu. Go
Oh,
ahead, I'm waiting.
not for better than what.
Yes, Mr. Liberty.
I just
what
tell
is
us
it?
that one.
Yes or he? Go ahead.
So I
Mr.
just tell us that one.
Eh?
Just tell us only that
No,
one.
no. They don't say.
but is it flat?
Ma?
Is it flat?
Hey, God bless you. Go ahead.
Flat is better than
Huh? Everybody is very silent. What's happening? Hello, guys. Are you here with me? Is your internet breaking, glitching?
The internet is good.
The class is as quiet as Tinubu. Go ahead. Before I offend APC members.
Flat cannot be better. Oh.
That's word. Oh.
Is it that you want to reinvent the documentation?
Flat is not,
Or you want to
flat
take
is not better.
the owner to court? Emmanuel, flat cannot be better. But you are seeing it, think it like a programmer. But I
Flat
see
is
that, yes,
better
it's
than
flat.
empty.
Sir?
Flat is better than empty.
Nope. Yeah, I agree that it's flat, but that last word is not that thing that you said. I've observed
but is
carefully,
there-
both home and
sir.
abroad, that my
Is there
students, they are always.
Is there supposed to be a letter between the T and the D?
Huh? The same way it has been. That is how it has been. But I don't want to mistakenly say something.
Okay. Then flat is better than nested.
God bless you.
Something is
God
yes.
bless you. God bless you. Flat is better than nested, but Emmanuel said that flat cannot be better. Says who? Yes, the next one. Hello? Are they here? Are they here?
spell.
Who is saying? Okay, see, hold on. Who is this guy? Is he Athanasius Okpe? Did you just say that you don't understand what is going on?
Spelling is better than
That's not you.
Okay. Go ahead.
spelling
Yeah,
is
it's not
better
spelling.
than wow.
Spirit is better than
Spirit?
spirit.
What is he saying? Did he say spirit?
Yes, I said spirit.
Like Holy Spirit?
Spirit of
No, man, come on. How would you be thinking like that?
Okay, let me check. Okay, space. What other space? Space is better than
Mhm.
space. Space is better than depth. Mm.
The
there's a D before
Huh?
TH.
Being a programmer, they can even flit your brain backward, thinking that you are not thinking right when you are thinking right. But they want you to be sure of yourself. Then you put it together. Because when you see a robot moving, it did not just come in one day. Some people have done research and they have thought over it. People who are lecturers here, who are researchers here, they will agree with me on that. It did not just come in one day. You just have to be reading books. As you are starting this Python, I'm going to follow up with a textbook, like electronic textbooks, whatever I have to do for you to, be serious about it. Go ahead, guys. We are moving very well. Moving very well. Hello, are they here? Are they sleeping? Is it 10 already? Hello? Is everybody sleeping? Hello? My network?
Spot.
Okay.
Spot is.
Yeah. Should we move on?
Yes, move on.
Space is better end.
Ma?
Space is better end dead than something.
Have you been following the tradition of what you've been doing? Like what you've been saying? Because
What's this D?
if you
There's
have
a
been following
D
the tradition, whatever the yellow, whatever this one says, if you say something, if you say that this is flat, you will never introduce any and when you say this.
Space is better end. Because there's a D here.
Where?
After better.
Oh, you mean
Yes.
this D and this D?
Yes. Yes.
If you're thinking like that, it will take you a long time.
See, let me try.
Yes,
Let me
go
try.
ahead. Free. Go ahead, sir.
Simple is better than difficult.
That's a good one, but not. But instead of if you are following this thing, hold on. I want to give you a good understanding. For those of you who are very good with English, there is this. Who is this? Ahmedu, please don't mute outrightly, please. If you are conversant with these words there with the yellow one, you see something that has to do with English language, and that word will be adjective most of the time. So a simple adjective, or what will be the adjective of it, if at all. I'm trying to give you a clue of there is a pattern here. There is a pattern. And it's only when you follow that pattern that you get it right. But it's a good try though. Very good one.
So I want to try, but it's somehow funny.
Say it, man. There is no right or wrong answer here. Say it, bro.
Okay, sport is better than drinking.
Okay. That's another good try, but that is not it.
Okay.
Sparse is better than dense.
God, who is this person? Who is this?
Amedu.
Was it Amedu? Sparse is better than
Yes,
dense,
sir.
boys. Nice one. Thank you.
Yeah, Emmanuel. Yeah, you get this one.
This is what we have been saying. Now whether you got it correctly, yeah, wrongly, yeah, you see. The last one, then you see sparse is better than dense. So, I try to give you the answer, like they will take your brain back. You see like 2D that has no relationship with the dense, right? If it would have been better with 1D, isn't it? Are you guys here with me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so that is what I was saying, like they will flip your brain back, and all that, the interest of that is just to make sure you just have to check it bit by bit, and then you come up with another very inspirational concept. So all of this is for readability purpose. The first one, import this, the Zen of Python by Tim Peters. Beautiful is better than ugly. You got it right. Explicit better than implicit. Simple better than complex. Complex is better than complicated. Flat is forever better than nested. Flat is always better than nested. Emmanuel Lona. Sparse is better than dense. And this is not the only thing here. For as far as this, the team at the Zen of Python is concerned. But as we are going, we'll be firing it on. All right. If you use import this, you're going to see it. So again, for the second session. All right, guys, who wants to go? Hello, hello.
Special.
Yeah, go ahead.
Special case.
Mm-hmm.
Special case. Special cases are.
Go ahead, ma. You are trying.
Enough. I don't know what that one is.
Huh?
Enough to.
That's good. You know, women think this thing faster than men sometimes. Okay, Sin, are you here? Or here? Are you here?
Yes, so I'm here.
Special enough to be.
Edwin, yes. Special case what?
Okay. Enough to break the circle.
This lady
Special case is
very well, but almost there.
Special case is better. Special enough to break the.
You are thinking very well.
The circle.
Special case are not special enough to break
the circle.
No way. No spikes. You're almost there.
Special case are not special. Special case are not special enough to break the. To break the.
Yes.
The site. No.
Ah, that's a very good one. Almost. Just one word. Yes. This person is joining us.
To break the table.
No, Mom.
Break the eye?
Break the eye? What is it breaking?
Ice.
Ice?
No.
No way.
No.
Well, the young man almost finished it.
Special case are not special.
Special case are not special enough to break the rule.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's move on to time. Guys, let's go there. Let's go there.
Although. Though.
Yeah.
Partiality beats piety.
Huh?
Although.
Yes.
Although partiality beats pity. No, sorry.
Just calm down. Say it.
Although practicality.
Your voice is as deep as wicked. What's up, man? What did you eat? Okay, Sin, all of a sudden. Hello? He was saying something very good.
Beats piety.
Is it partiality beat purity? No.
Why would you say no? Are you not sure? And you are making the good.
Although partiality beats purity. That purity, I'm not sure about the purity.
Okay, Sin.
Is that partiality? I'm not sure.
It's practicality. Although practicality,
not partiality.
Okay, yeah.
Practicality is purity.
Yeah? What did you say? Hello? Is
practicality.
Although practicality beats partiality.
No.
Purity.
See, if you are listening to yourself, once one person is giving one side of the answer, the other person is giving another side of the answer. So it's just to just take one from here. I'm telling you this.
It's purity.
Yeah, which one is it?
Partiality.
Huh?
Although practicality beats purity.
Yes, that is it. You know, when the Okwe guy now picked that purity and Okesim picked the practicality, I was expecting that, okay, someone would just come up and say it. Okay, go ahead.
This one is funny. I'm going to start this one from.
So when I was firing Python, what were you thinking? Like, I just mode everything like 6 inches block and chuck it in your, place it in your brain. You have to think. Let's go, please. No time. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Are you here? Are you here? Who has not said anything here? Don't let me call your name. Constant, are you here? Akin, are you here? Dr. Clems already contributed. Amedu contributed. Who is this Abba Umenu? It's Elizabeth. This iPhone, I think that will be Mr. Edwin. Hello, hello, guys. Are you guys here? Hello, am I talking to myself?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, glory be to God. They are here.